G'day. Here's something quite a bit different from what I usually post. No trucks or buggies or guitars or music. Another of my hobbies is making beer. And it's always bothered me that it was pretty much impossible, other than rinsing, to clean out the inside of tubes. This is the siphon down tube. Hose connects here. It's got a little tip at the bottom. You make beer, you know what this is. Well, here's what I do. This is a leather work boot lace. You buy a pair for $7 or $8. It's about 72 inches in length, I think it is, or maybe 80. And I soak. Let's see if I can move you around. I got my sanitizing solution there, and a little blue rag there is, or they're called Scott's shop towels. These guys. So wet that down in the sanitizer, and I just wrap it around the shoelace, the boot lace, and back way here, just gently pull it through. Of course, you can do that, go back and forth, back and forth. I typically make a stout so I can tell when mine's clean, when it's no longer have any browns on it. But here's the neatest part of the trick. Now it's hard to show this. I'm holding the string. You can twist the string or twist until you have a tight twist. And now when you pull it, you're actually scrubbing because it's turning as it comes back out. Neat trick. Come up with it a while back. I've never seen it anywhere else, and it just occurred to me I'm about to transfer. Well, we can see I got a little bit, still not used to working a camera. I still have a bit of brown on it, so I'm going to wad up a fresh one. Oh, and I tie a knot this end here, so when you first put it through, I put it through this end, and after it goes around the corner and it's about halfway down, it gets hard to push, so then again you twist it, and when you twist it, it stiffens up. So give me a sec here. I'm not your usual slick as Hollywood YouTuber. I just like to pass on tips. I'm just going to wrap it around. Just wind it like you would a electrical tape along connection or something. And you get it in, spin a bit as you go in, and then pull it. If you think it's too loose, use a bigger piece. And we'll just pull it through. And at this point I will spin it. I find it fastest to spin both the tube and the string, and ta-da! I think it's good enough. And I'll do this to the other section, which has a little valve at the bottom. That's a little tougher to do, but there are ways. As well as the hose. I don't have much chunk of a hose. I ended up with an infection and lost a good batch of beer a few years ago, and it kind of pissed me off. But since then I got a lot more diligent. Fine little paint brushes are great for going inside these things. Of course, everything goes into my sanitizing solution. Whatever you want to use works. Today. That kind of stuff. Anyways, I thought the leather boot lace and blue shop towel trick was worthy of sharing. Don't try paper towels, they'll just dissolve. If you've never seen or even heard of Scotch shop towels, they're cheap. I don't work for them. I don't get paid. I go through a lot of these in my workshop here. They're great. They're reusable. You can wet them. They're tough. Hang them to dry. Use them again. So, over and out. Let me know if you like this. If you like it, hit like. If you didn't like it, hit don't like. Give it a thumbs down. As long as I'm making noise, getting noise, I know somebody's listening. Be good.